Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at how artificial intelligence, AI, and automation not only improve operational efficiency, but also positively impact employee morale and productivity. The image illustrates how these technologies free workers from repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on strategic and creative activities that if you are looking to transform your company's work environment and improve your team's satisfaction. Stay until the end of the video. Microsoft was facing a high burden of administrative tasks that limited its employees' ability to focus on innovation. Microsoft implemented Power Automate to automate meeting scheduling and data organization. The results were a 25% reduction in time spent on routine tasks and a 15% increase in strategic activities. As a result, employees reported less stress and greater satisfaction from spending more time on creative projects. Vodafone's customer service team was facing high levels of burnout when handling repetitive queries. They implemented AI-based chatbots to handle 60% of repetitive queries. People now focus on more complex cases. The results were an improvement in the quality of customer interactions and a reduction in routine workload. The result was an increase in job satisfaction and development of new problem-solving skills. Siemens was facing unplanned downtime that put pressure on its maintenance team. Siemens used AI and IoT sensors to implement a predictive maintenance system. The results were a 20% reduction in downtime and more efficient planning of maintenance tasks. The result was improved quality of work life, reduced stress, and greater job satisfaction by working in an organized environment. Spotify's marketing team was facing limitations due to repetitive tasks in audience segmentation and campaign management. The solution was to automate playlist personalization and marketing campaigns with AI. The results were an increased focus on creative and collaborative strategies. The consequence was that employees reported an increase in satisfaction by spending more time on creativity and innovation. The cases presented demonstrate that the implementation of AI and automation not only improves operational efficiency, but also generates a work environment where creativity and job satisfaction are a priority. If you want to transform your work environment and boost your team's morale and productivity, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.